Hi everyone, this is playlist 3. So I'm just going to go through real quick what you guys need to know for this week, and then if you have any questions, please let me know. So just so we're clear, on Classroom, underneath playlist 3 or underneath classwork, they're organized by topics. So you're going to go to playlist 3. Everything you're going to need to know for this playlist or any resource you're going to need to use will be here. So starting with Monday, starting with Monday, you're going to do the M&M Bell Work form, which is on Google Classroom, right where you took the daily exit ticket. You are also going to track some vocabulary this week, and so that is included here so that you guys can do that. So you're going to make sure to include those words, definitions into your vocabulary tracker. If you guys have questions with that, please let me know. On Tuesday, we're going to start our beginning of class routine with reading for 7 minutes. When the timer goes off, we're actually working whole class on Tuesday, and so together we will review the thieves strategy and look at the Newsela article 1. So we're going to do that. Then you guys are going to answer this overarching question for the week, which is how did early people change the way they interacted with the environment over time? So hopefully something you've learned in social studies can help you with this, or just if you think back or look at this question, it's basically how have people over time evolved. So like what is different now that wasn't here even 20 years ago or 100 years ago? So how have we evolved as people? After that, I'm going to introduce the 5 W's and an H to you guys, and the worksheet is on Google Classroom as it specifies there. So you go here, and like I told you, it's all within playlist 3. You're going to find that 5 W's and an H worksheet or template. And then on Wednesday, you will also be with me for this. You're going to read for 7 minutes, and then it even says underneath there when it says with Mrs. Rains, like it does over here, when you're finished with reading, go to the back table. So as soon as you're done with reading on Wednesday, you should go back to the back table. Morpheme practice for today. You guys are going to practice your morphemes, but you're going to make flashcards and note cards to actually like study your morphemes, and then we're going to read the Newsela article together, or we're going to finish reading it together. Thursday, you're on your own again. You're going to read for 7 minutes. Then you are going to practice your morphemes for the week. You're going to get more vocabulary here, and then you are going to read Article 2 and fill out the 2 documents on Google Classroom. And this assignment is called Thieves, which is a Thieves knowledge check, and it's being graded. So I even told you that. So not only are you going to be quizzed on your morphemes for the week, but you're also going to be asked to turn that in, and I'm actually going to grade it and see how well you guys are doing with that strategy. Friday is 7 minutes of reading, and then you finish reading Article 2, which we will go over also on Wednesday, what the difference between Article 1 and Article 2 is. And then you'll answer the comprehension questions, and then you will take the morpheme quiz at the end of class. The Thieves knowledge check, just so you know, is also underneath Google Classroom, playlist 3, Thieves knowledge check. It looks just like this. And there's also a rubric attached. Essentially, you get 2 points if you do it correctly, and then 1 point if you show a little bit of understanding about it, but you didn't have a deep understanding, and then 0 points if you didn't do it, or if I could not tell that you understood what you were doing. So it's out of 14 points, just so you could be aware. But that is also attached to that assignment that the playlist tells you to go to. If you guys have any questions, please let me know.